everybody. I'm doing a drawing tutorial, and because I haven't done much drawing tutorials, so this one is going to be kind of different because there's a jillion things that anybody could draw. Like, you can draw a flower, this anime person. Also, it's my birthday. Oh, that was my cat. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna learn how to draw in my style of art, which is, as you can see, kind of chibi and not much detail in the hands and kind of small. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do that, then you've come to the right place, but I promise I'll make an actual regular drawing tutorial, like a fox or a cat or an actual thing that isn't anime. So yeah, yep, we're gonna start. So, I'm just gonna, I guess, draw a person, just a normal person, so you can like follow along with this video. Extremely long bangs, and I often make the forehead too large, and then I notice, like, when I'm about to show it to somebody and I'm like, oh no, I better fix that. So yeah, this is the kind of eye that I like to use. I did not create it, but so yeah, there's a small thing for the nose. There might be some background noise in this video. And then a split mouth, which is uneven. But that's okay because it's art and there's no wrong way to do art. Keep telling yourself that. If you ever feel like you messed up, it's okay. It's art. There's like no way to mess up. Probably the only words of wisdom in this video or in any of my videos. Yeah, there's background noise. I apologize if you do not like background noise. So I'm just going to keep talking or humming or something. Yep, this is it so far. Then small neck. This is how I draw collars. It looks more like a bow tie, but this is actually the tie. I guess I'm drawing an anime person, but I had to draw something. And then a dress, I guess. Nope, skirt. It's really blurry. I apologize. If you can see it, like the video. I keep trying to get likes, but they always fail. I'm sorry, I'm very oh no. Alright, that's what erasers are for. I have my Eevee eraser that I painted black somehow. Or I guess I just had extra paint. Ignore my thumb. And yeah, I'll have you look at this while I erase this weirdness. Okay, well, she can be short, whatever. Then, okay, well, that was kind of a drawing tutorial. But still, if you can make any legs better than that, please do. I tend to be negative. I apologize if you don't like negativity. Yeah, how I draw hands. Why can't I do this? Yeah, hands and arms like that, and feet and legs like this. Ignore this. Yep, a lot of stuff happening in this video. I guess I really should do more drawing tutorials because that's what this channel is for. but I do everything except drawing tutorials. And to anybody else who has a birthday in April, happy birthday! And I missed a couple of some characters' birthdays, so happy birthday to them. But yeah, actually happy birthday to everybody who has a birthday in April, real or fake. That's it for this video. Anyway, have a good day. Goodbye.